What's up everyone, Arif here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a mapped network drive to another computer. You can see here on the server, I showed you how to map this K network drive, but we're going to want to do these other two now. So let's go to our real computer and let's click on the three dots on top of this PC. Go to add a network location. I'm going to click next, choose a custom network location. And we're going to do the server name, so Sputnik, and then we're going to do the drive letter that it has. So we want to do the P drive. Click next. So you can see here P Sputnik. Perfect. Let's just do this one more time for good measure. Come up to the three dots, click add network location. Next, server name, and the drive letter on that server. So not the network map drive letter, but the actual letter. So come back, click next. There we go. I hope this video helped you. Hey, if it did, leave a sub, leave a comment, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.